Hello everyone. Today I'll discuss exercise 1.5 question number 2. Simplify each of the following expressions. Number 1. Let us solve question number 1. Question number 1 is 3 plus root 3 into 2 plus root 2. Now it can be written as 3 into this one, that is 2 plus root 2, 2 plus root 2 plus root 3 into 2 plus root 2, 2 plus root 2. Now 3 into 2 it is 6 plus 3 into root 2 is 3 root 2 plus 2 into root 3 is 2 root 3 plus root 3 into root 2 is root 6, right? Therefore we are getting 6 plus 3 root 2 plus 2 root 3 plus root 6. Now we cannot add any with anyone, therefore this is the answer of question number 1. Let us solve question number 2. Question number 2 is 3 plus root 3 into 3 minus root 3. We can apply here an identity that a plus b into a minus b is equal to a square minus b square, a square minus b square. Therefore we are getting 3 square minus root 3 whole square. 3 square is equal to 9 minus root 3 into root 3 is 3. 9 minus 3, that is equal to 6. And that is the answer. Now solve question number 3. Question number 3 is, here you see is, question number 3 is root 5 plus root 2 whole square. When I apply this identity that a plus b whole square, a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. A square plus 2ab plus b square. Therefore, we can write here as root 5 whole square plus 2ab plus 2 into root 5 into root 2 into root 2. This is plus 2ab plus b square means root 2 whole square, root 2 whole square, and we are getting root 5 into root 5 is 5 plus 2 root 5 into root 2 is root 10 plus root 2 into root 2 is 2. 5 plus 2, that is equal to 7. 5 plus 2 is equal to 7. 7 plus 2 root 10, and that is the answer. Let us solve question number 4. Question number 4, here you see is, question number 4 is root 5 minus root 2 into root 5 plus root 2. When I apply this identity that a plus b into a minus b is equal to a square minus b square is equal to a square minus b square. Therefore, we are getting root 5 whole square minus root 2 whole square. Root 5 whole square is root 5 into root 5 is 5. And root 2 into root 2 is 2. 5 minus 2, that is equal to 3. And that is the answer. Right? Therefore, we are getting the value as 3. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.